snow. Okay. I found a treasure. So we just crossed a pretty difficult boulder field. They're coming behind me. Sean, Sarah. Hopefully we don't hit another snowy field. Crap. Crap. We've been hitting a lot more snow. But we might actually, for real, be coming to the end of it. We found a lake. Oh my gosh, it's like, it's so blue. And there's our hiker friend. Yeah, and there's little fishermen. I just crawled across that thing on my knees, feet like Ash was trying to do. But this is super steep. Super steep. My water bottle fell out of my pack. I had to go down and get it. People have poles. They don't have poles. And the water's flowing really fast underneath on one side, so I'm kind of scared about crossing the snow on that side. Guys, I'm just scared about crossing there because look at how much water's flowing under it. Found my water bottle. But I just saw a guy climbing way up in the snow up there. So we're screwed. We're gonna have to find a way. The guy gave us a map, a little napkin on how to do it. We're gonna have to, I guess, climb the boulders over here and go up. And there's a little cross up there we have to get to. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just scrape my arm a bit. Just scrape my arm a bit. It's a beautiful lake, but we're absolutely terrified. So we have to find a way up there, all the way to the top. We've traversed only like a quarter of the boulder field. We still have so much farther to go, and then 2 more hours after we get to the top. Hopefully it's mostly downhill. That's what they said online. Crap. Crap. Still have all the way up there to go. If they're still behind me, I don't see them. Asha! Okay. I've never been so happy to see a trail marker in my life. Up to that thing. Can't see it, but it's up there. That's where I'm going, zigzagging up. Three and a half more hours. Why? We've already been hiking before. Yeah. This is supposed to be one of our shortest days. So we had a bit of a situation because our switchback that's right here is blocked by snow, so I went to check it out. I had to hike down the mountain steep, so we don't need to cross the snow, and they're coming to follow me. So a little bit of a detour, a little bit. Hopefully we can make it down in that direction. It looks like there are tracks. So we just have to keep on going because the snow is getting softer and softer and softer as we speak. If you can get there, go for it. But I couldn't. I mean, no. I just literally slid down that mountain and it's my track's way up there. I came running off the mountain. I'm so scared. They're still up there. They lost their water bottle. This lake is absolutely beautiful. A little stressed out. Just a little bit of tears. But I think we're getting there. We haven't made it to the turnoff point, which means we're an hour away. But I think we're pretty close. The man last night told me the wild flowers would be beautiful, and he was absolutely correct. They are gorgeous. Okay, I think we're in here somewhere.
I think we're here actually.
I think we're right here. Because that's where the river goes next to the stream, and that's what we're doing. Okay, so that on this thing, that would be, yeah, like here.
Okay, perfect.
Because that's a river. Okay. 9 hours later, we made it to Moins. Woo!